You basically have two options. You want to put in the time, you want to put in the work, you want to figure out how real estate works, how to attract buyers and sellers. You want to do all that? Or do you want to pay somebody for this package, thousands of dollars in most situations, pay them the money, and then still have to spend the time, do the work, figure out how to attract buyers and sellers? Either way, you got to spend the time and do the work and figure it out. Why don't you skip the part about give somebody $2,000 or $3,000? Hello again, it's Reggie Moon with Eclipse, USA and Associates, brokered by EXP, telling you that if you don't enjoy what you do, you will never be good at it.
Call or click 404 Eclipse.
Listen, in this industry, there are so many money grabs. I'm telling you, just to get licensed, there's 4 or 5 different entities that get your money, from the state to the licensing board to the actual facility that does the training for the course to the real estate commission. There's so much money that goes into just getting licensed, and then once you're licensed, there's a whole new set of folks trying to get into your pocket. Here's the best. This is a best kept secret in real estate. Here it is. Either way, you got to figure it out, spend the time and do it. Either way, you got to find a way to attract buyers and sellers. Either way, you got to learn the mechanics of the documents and the forms and the real estate board. Either way, you got to learn compliance. Either way, you got to learn your policies and procedures from your broker. You've got to figure all that stuff out. Either way. A lot of agents, what they do is they'll pay thousands of dollars for a package. They think it's the magic pill. It never is. I've never paid for a package. I've never sold a package. They pay for this. Look, they get hooked into it. They get kind of suckered into it, thinking, man, if I pay this, look at this guy's success. Ask yourself this: if the guy is that successful selling real estate, why does he have to sell training packages? That's not that complicated. If he's that successful, if he's making enough to buy 3 Lear jets, then why does he have to sell you a package? It's only one of two reasons. Either his success has fallen, his numbers have fallen off, or he's really not that successful, or he's not structured like we can at EXP, where you can get paid the rest of your life from agents selling houses because of the structure that EXP offers. Nobody can touch it, by the way. Either he doesn't have that structure, or he doesn't have the volume, or one of the two, maybe a combination. Why is all of a sudden, instead of him selling houses, he's selling training packages? Here's where you go. You go to your broker and say, show me how to win at this game. If your broker says, go to these 3 or 4 agents, they're winning at this game, be their shadow. Do it. Do what they're doing. In fact, here's one caveat. Do what they're doing. Notice that's what I said. Don't do what they did 5 years ago. The market changes rapidly with technology, the internet, and with websites that are doing a whole lot of the work that we used to do. It's turning on a dime. Literally 6 months from now, it won't be the same that it is right now. So you got to learn it, and don't take advice that worked 10 years ago. If you want to be successful, you got to learn how the business works. There's not a shortcut. Hey, we can talk anytime. It's Reggie Moon with Eclipse USA and Associates, brokered by EXP.